Brandon, they're lighting it. Walk, quick, Brandon!
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 No way! No way! Oh wow! Oh my god! Wow! There's nothing left! It's burning! That is awesome! What a great ending! Whoa! It's on fire now.
What is that?
The duct tape.
Like, there's nothing left.
The cinder block is totally destroyed.
There was a small one here. Wait, look how far this came. Josh, measure how far this flew.
Yeah,
That was like 6 to 10 feet. Holy crap. Holy crap.
Alright.
You have something
Let's
that's
see if
like
we can do it with a little one.
yeah, see it? Yeah, put it. 11 feet. Should at least crack, right?
11 feet this came from the spot.
Oh my god.
He blew a cinder block.
I was gonna try to get a like a
Look at the crater!
Wait, what was
Look at
rock?
that! Did you put the rock on top of it?
Yeah. That's 11 feet.
Put it in that one. That one's
Okay, we're gonna see if a small one will do anything.
Ready? Get the rock down one.
No? Go make more big ones.
Oh my gosh.
Matt, bow.
Take a bow.
I know.